In this video, I'm going to show you how to start off Schedule 1 the best way possible to save you money and time. So let's get to it. So you're going to spawn in your RV, and the first thing you're going to want to do is to grab your stuff off the shelf here, fill up your watering can, and water your plants. Next, you want to open your phone and check your messages, and then head in to town to the nearest payphone. Then this part's important. After you talk to Uncle Nelson, only collect 2 out of the 3 drops. So do not collect all the drops. Just collect these first 2 right here, or else you will trigger an event that will ruin the start of your game. So go ahead and collect these 2 dead drops right here to get yourself a little bit of money. And then after that, you're going to want to head to the post office because they have a free shelf there you can grab. And then you want to go ahead and head back to your RV, harvest your plants because they should be ready to go. You would have missed out on all this if you had collected that 3rd checkpoint or that 3rd drop. So collect all you can. Then once that's done, you want to collect everything here in the glow setup. Your light, your pot, the frame, everything. This is going to save you a lot of money in the future. So doing this and collecting the harvest will set you up straight. And then go ahead and collect your shelf here. And then go ahead and bag up all that weed, which you would not have had if you did the game the normal way, the way they want you to do it. Your next step will be go into town to Handy Hanks and offload some of your supplies in the little pallets they have to the left of the shop. This just acts as an extra storage so you don't have to leave anything behind. Next step is go back to your RV, collect your remaining harvest and your bagged up materials and your packing station. Don't leave anything behind. Collect it all. And at this time you can now go collect your last dead drop so you can have the maximum amount of money to start with. And now you can head back to your RV where it will trigger the explosion where all the stuff you just collected and stashed at the hardware shop would have been destroyed otherwise. And now you'll head back into town, answer the payphone from Uncle Nelson again, which he's going to tell you to go get a hotel room. So go ahead and get your room and offload everything that you have on you currently. Put your packing station down, put your weed in it. You can also put it on the shelf over there, but it doesn't really matter, whatever you want to do. But just get rid of everything and put your scissors on the shelf. And now it's time to go back to Handy Hanks and collect all the items that you left in the storage over there that you would have lost otherwise. And then go back to your hotel room and set up all of your equipment just like it was in the RV. Now you have a free setup to enter the start of the game instead of having to purchase anything, and you actually get double because it only tells you to purchase 1, but now you have 2 growing setups. And then you can go ahead and go to sleep since it's nighttime. Then you want to stop by an ATM and deposit all your money into there. Your next step will be go to the hardware store, buy 2 soil and 34 baggies. I bought 1 too many here, but that's okay. And go ahead and tell Dan that you're a drug dealer and he will give you a little nice freebie to help your plant grow faster. And then head back to the hotel room and put the soil in the pots to have it ready for the seeds. And you can go ahead and finish bagging up your product if you wish. Up to you. Then head back to the payphone and Uncle Nelson will help you get set up to get some seeds. So open your phone to your messages, request a dead drop, and wait for that to happen. It should only take about a minute. I went ahead and paid off my debt before getting the seeds. You don't have to do this, but I just wanted to be debt free. and then go collect your seeds. And once you got them, head back to the hotel room, water your soil, and plant your seeds so they can all start growing. And the last step is to use your speed grow on one of your plants, and it's going to pretty much instantly grow. Alright, so there you have it. You have a bunch of weed you can go ahead and sell, and you already have all the supplies that you need to start on your operation. You didn't have to spend any money, you don't have any debt, and you got all this stuff for free. Now you can start taking over the world. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and this was helpful for you. I want to thank you for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you later.